It's a permanent alimony of 2 crores. You are saying
Malada.
jurisdiction.
Initially, Supreme Court allowed the petition filed by the husband and granted 20 lakhs rupees interim permanent alimony. Permanent alimony. If has filed the miscellaneous petition before the family court, Bengaluru. I filed objection, but there is no jurisdiction to challenge that. File the application before the family court, Mysore Malada. Initially, before filing the Monte court, they have filed the Bengaluru court.
That is, what is the difficulty if it is decided here in Bangalore?
Petition filed by the husband. Husband is challenging the application filed by the wife before the trial court. On the ground of the jurisdiction. Impugned order is page number 70.
Where is impugned order?
Page number 70.
Yes.
The relevant portion is
It's a permanent alimony of 2 crores. You are saying jurisdiction.
Initially, facts of the case, husband has filed a divorce petition in the year 2009. That was allowed. Thereafter, wife filed a MFA before this honorable court. This honorable court has set aside.
Come back again. What did you say? Initially,
husband has filed a divorce petition in the year 2009.
2009.
MC number 26 of 2009 was allowed by the trial court.
Where it was filed?
Before the Monday.
Mandya. It was allowed.
Thereafter, wife filed a MFA before this honorable court. MFA number 7100 of 2014. 7100 of 2014.
710014. What happened to that?
This honorable court has allowed the petition and set aside the divorce granted by the trial court. Thereafter, husband has filed a SLP before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court allowed the petition filed by the husband and granted 20 lakhs rupees interim permanent alimony. Permanent alimony.
Allowed on when? SLP is allowed on?
Allowed on 22.
20?
23/11/2022.
23/11/2022.
Yes, and granted liberty to the wife to file application under section 25 of the Act. In the meantime, wife also filed MC petition 2470 of 2016 for restitution of conjugal rights during the pendency of the SLP. That was allowed. Husband has not challenged.
Is MC?
MC number 2470 of 2016.
70 of 16. When was it allowed?
Allowed on in the year 2022.
Was it not brought to the notice of the Apex Court?
Apex Court also notice was brought to the notice of the Apex Court. Apex Court thereafter has given the liberty to the respondent wife to file an application under section 25 of the Act to taking permanent alimony as a sought against the Only come to the page number.
Yes, what is the present order?
The wife has filed the miscellaneous petition before the family court, Bengaluru. I filed objection, but there is no jurisdiction to challenge that. File the application before the family court, Mysore. Initially, I filed a MC petition before the Monday court. Before the Supreme Court, the Supreme Court has given liberty in that petition to file a application to seeking for permanent alimony. In respect of before filing the Monday court, they have filed the Bengaluru court. That is has been challenged before this.
Please read the order.
Yes. Page number 70, MP number. This is petition filed by the petitioner under section 25 of the Indian Marriage Act, seeking for permanent alimony of rupees 2 crore. The respondent raised an objection regarding the jurisdiction of the court, claiming that all the properties referred by the petitioner are outside the jurisdiction of the court. The records placed before the court shows that the petitioner wife filed the petition under section 9 of the Indian Marriage Act in MC number so and so before this court. The respondent has not disputed the jurisdiction of the court in MC number 2430 of 2016. The respondent admittedly filed the petition in MC number 26 of 2009 before the Principal Senior Civil Judge Mandya under section so and so. The records placed before the court shows that petitioner wife prepared an appeal before the Honorable High Court of Karnataka in MFA number so and so against the judgment and decree passed in MC number 26 of 2009. The Honorable High Court of Karnataka, the order dated so and so, allowed the appeal filed by the petitioner wife and set aside the judgment and decree passed in MC number so and so. Principal Civil Judge, the respondent approached this Supreme Court of India in civil appeal number 8824 of 22 against judgment and order passed by the Honorable High Court of Karnataka in MFA number so and so Honorable
You
Supreme Court.
contested that restitution of conjugal rights petition which is filed by her.
My lord, that was allowed, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, before the Supreme Court, my lord, brought to the note of the Supreme Court, my lord, the wife also
It
not.
is at order of the Supreme Court. So what is the difficulty if it is decided here in Bangalore?
My lord, the MC, Honorable Supreme Court challenging the
No,
appeal, my lord, MC
you
number.
filed MC in
Yes, madam.
Mandya.
Yes,
He filed MC in Bangalore
my lord,
for restitution of conjugal
Yes,
rights. Sir. No, nothing is pending. The moment you paid 3 lakh rupees, sir, it is done.
my lord, we already deposited at 20 lakh before the Monday court, my lord.
It is now lying there.
Yes, Monday court, my lord. But my lord, we are filed a MC petition in the year 2009 in Monday court, my lord. Before the apex court, my lord,
The notice to the respondent.
the stay of the, my lord, now the petition evidence is going on in a criminal mispetition.
Notice to the respondents. When counsel the petitioner submits that in the diverse proceedings that are initiated by the husband in the courts at Mandya, when the matter was carried to the Honorable Apex Court has permitted the wife to file an application seeking permanent alimony, and it has to be filed before the courts at before the family court at Mandya, but not at the court at but the courts at Bangalore do not have jurisdiction. Considering the submission, there shall be stay of all further proceedings and so and so.
Yes.
So and so till the next date of hearing. Poses